Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Snapchat on laptop and PC. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'll be showing you two different methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. The first method is using the Snapchat app from the Microsoft Store. To do this, open up your search menu, then search for Microsoft Store and click to open it. Once the store loads, go to the search box at the top, type in Snapchat, and from the results, click on Snapchat and then click the blue Get button to start installing the app on your computer. Now, just wait a few seconds while Snapchat downloads and installs. Once the installation is complete, click Open. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your Snapchat account using your login details. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main Snapchat screen. You can choose whether you want to allow notifications. I'm going to click Not Now. Now you can start using Snapchat on your computer. You can click the new chat button to message someone from your contacts or even create a new group. For example, if I want to chat with someone, I just click on their name and select Chat. You can type messages just like you would on your phone. If you want to use your camera, click on the camera icon and make sure you press Allow when prompted in the top right corner. As long as your webcam is enabled, it should appear on the screen. If it doesn't, click on the three horizontal dots and make sure the correct webcam is selected. You can also apply filters similar to the mobile app. You can click on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your Snapchat settings. However, you might notice that some features or settings are missing in the desktop app. So if you want to edit certain profile details or access settings you can't find here, there's another option. The second method is using Snapchat Web. Simply open any internet browser, type Snapchat Web in the search bar, and click on the top website. Then sign in with your Snapchat account. This will take you to the web version of Snapchat, which has slightly different settings and doesn't require you to download anything on your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Snapchat on laptop and PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.